Hey gearheads, lowering a Chevy Tahoe can dramatically improve its stance, but an aggressive drop can reduce the clearance between the rear axle and frame, limiting suspension travel. That is where this CPP C-Notch kit comes in. Designed specifically for 1995 through 2000 Chevrolet Tahoe applications, this kit provides the additional frame clearance needed for a properly lowered rear suspension. A C-Notch allows a section of the frame above the rear axle to be modified for additional clearance. Reinforcement plates are then installed around the modified area to help maintain frame strength. This CPP kit includes application-specific steel, C-notch reinforcement plates, a replacement bump stop, and grade 8 mounting hardware. The left and right side brackets feature a durable black finish and are shaped specifically for the 1995 through 2000 Tahoe frame. As the rear of a Tahoe is lowered, the distance between the axle housing and the frame becomes smaller. When the suspension compresses over bumps, dips, or uneven pavement, the axle can contact the frame. That contact can create a harsh ride, limit suspension movement, and prevent the rear suspension from working through its intended range. The CPP C-Notch kit creates approximately 3 additional inches of axle travel, giving the rear suspension more room to move before reaching the frame or bump stop. CPP recommends using a C-Notch when lowering the truck approximately 4 inches or more. It is important to understand that a C-Notch kit does not lower the vehicle by itself. Instead, it supports a lowered suspension setup by creating the clearance needed between the axle and the frame. Your final ride height will still be determined by the springs, shackles, hangers, suspension components, or other lowering system installed on the Tahoe. For a Tahoe with a significant rear drop, the C-Notch is an important part of completing the suspension system rather than simply lowering the truck and accepting limited travel. CPP manufactures the reinforcement brackets from steel and includes the mounting hardware needed to secure the plates after the frame has been properly measured and modified. Because installation requires cutting into the vehicle's frame, accurate positioning is extremely important. The vehicle must be safely supported, the suspension must be unloaded, and all nearby brake lines, fuel lines, wiring, and other components must be identified and protected before work begins. Always confirm axle location and suspension clearance before making any cuts. Frame modification should be completed by an experienced installer using the correct tools and procedures. Before installation, inspect the Tahoe's existing frame for rust, damage, or previous modifications. The reinforcement plates must sit correctly against solid frame material. Measure both sides carefully, verify that the axle is centered, and check the complete range of suspension movement. The replacement bump stop must also be positioned so it controls suspension travel without unnecessarily reducing the additional clearance created by the notch. After installation, inspect all fasteners, brake lines, fuel lines, and wiring before driving the vehicle. Recheck the mounting hardware after the initial road test and periodically as part of normal suspension maintenance. For 1995 through 2000 Tahoe owners who want a lower stance without sacrificing necessary rear axle clearance, this CPP C-Notch kit provides application-specific reinforcement and approximately 3 additional inches of suspension travel. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out. That's it for this video. And remember, for parts that are built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive, make sure your ride is CPP equipped. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.